Good evening, students. So good evening all of you. So myself Dr.Rajendra Prasad, biology educator on Unacademy platform. So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, students. In today's class we'll be discussing about the overview on the topic that is on the leaf. We'll be discussing few multiple choice questions on the leaf and we'll be discussing about those particular questions in this particular session. So Unacademy, so here on Unacademy platform, so Unacademy is providing free live classes on its YouTube channel and also free live classes on its app also. Apart from that, Unacademy is also giving the classes on its other platform that is called Unacademy Plus platform. So this is the platform where a dedicated live classes are going. So dedicated means a scheduled course is running on this Unacademy Plus platform actually. So what is it? The scheduled course is for the target for the students who are preparing for next year medical entrance examination. So that is, so I suggest you to take the Plus subscription, students. So a dedicated and scheduled course is going on Plus platforms. So let us see what is the importance of our Unacademy Plus platform. So before starting this class, so welcome to a few more students. So welcome to Shivaganesh. Welcome to Unacademy Plus platform, Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, students. So let us discuss about our Unacademy Plus platforms as usual. So if you see Unacademy Plus platform, so what is importance of our Unacademy Plus platform is, so premium content. So premium content will be available. So premium content will be available at affordable price. So that is the best point. So premium content will be available at the affordable price. So structured live course and dedicated live doubt clearing session is going on. So then quizzes will be conducted at regular intervals and batches for complete preparation is also going on, students. So already there are several batch courses have started. So 10 plus batches already have completed and there are more than 20 top educators on our platform. So you can watch those all top educators classes by taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. So recently from October 12th, so the Telugu batch is started. So in that batch, so the classes will be taking now regional language in Telugu. So in Telugu classes will be taken. So biology and as well as mathematics, chemistry and physics, all classes will be all classes will be in Telugu language. So there is benefit for the regional, there is a benefit no doubt about the regional language. So detailed explanation in Telugu language will be given for better understanding of the student actually. So the main purpose of this Telugu batch is also, the target is EAMCET 2021. And what is the main purpose is, here they complete the syllabus in a defined time. So that is the importance of this Plus platform. So all the intermediate, first year and second year syllabus will be covered in some specific time. So that is the importance of the Plus platform. So if you are interested, you can take a trial price. So trial price costing 2,250 rupees, students. You take 1 month trial price and see if you are satisfied, you can go for the long term plans. So to get the trial price, you can use my code RAJENDRALIVE. So if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE, you can get the trial price for 2,250 rupees, students. So apart from this, so there is another batch is also started, that is called as a comprehensive batch. The batch is called as a comprehensive batch for EAMCET 2021. So there is another batch is also started. So the batch is called as a comprehensive batch. So there is another batch now started, students, that is called comprehensive batch. So in this batch I will be taking the biology classes and sir will be taking the physics classes and sir will be taking the chemistry classes. What is the importance of this batch is, a complete syllabus will be covered. So complete syllabus will be covered by the educators. So complete syllabus will be covered by the educators. So tips and tricks also will be given by the educators, and topic wise practice papers and full and mock test. So full and mock test also will be conducted, students. So this all you can get for a 1 month plan of 2,250 rupees students. So I suggest you to take 1 month trial plan, so that if you are satisfied you can go for the long term plans. So use my code RAJENDRALIVE so that you can get the 1 month plan for 2,250 rupees students. So apart from this short term plans, a long term plan of 6 months plan and 12 months plan is also available. This 6 months plan is costing about 10,125 rupees students, whereas 12 months plan is costing about 12,375 rupees. So these are the best plans. I suggest you to take this best plan students. So these are the best plans. So which is best suitable for the students who are preparing for next year EAMCET examination, and you can get it for a very least amount. So 6 months for 10,000 rupees is a very less amount students. I suggest you to go for these best plans. So that is about our Unacademy Plus subscription students. So I suggest you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription of long term plans like 6 months plan as well as 12 months plan, so that you will get a maximum benefited. So apart from this YouTube class, so if you go to the description box below this class of YouTube channel, so description box is there. So there you will get a link for the free special live classes students. You go to those links and join the free special live classes that are going on our Unacademy platform. So every day, so several teachers are there, they are teaching the free classes. So you can join those free classes. If you are interested, you can join the Plus subscription also. So that is about our Unacademy Plus subscription students. Special live classes students. So let us see the first question. A branch. So a branch in which each node. So a branch in which each node bears a rosette of leaves. Okay. So rosette of leaves. So each branch is bearing. So at nodes. So nodes, what happens is leaves are produced at the nodes, and rosette of leaves and tuft of roots. So tuft of roots are found in the aquatic plants. So the best example of aquatic plants, if you see the aquatic plants, so Pistia, Ecornia, Hydrilla, these Vallisner, these all are aquatic plants, only no doubt about it. But specifically the branch, so branch, in a branch where at nodes what happens is rosette of leaves. So leaves are arranged like a rosette manner. Okay. So and roots are of tuft of roots are present. So such type of aquatic plants, best example is asking. So so best example of this type of plant, these are actually called as a offsets. These are called as a offset. Okay. So best example is Pistia and Iconia. So Pistia and Iconia is our answer in this case actually. So you can see this diagram students. So I have given the diagrams here, these hydrophytes which we were discussing just now. So this is Pistia and here it is Iconia is present. You can see that this is the location. So this is a branch. You can see these are branch. Okay. So this is the branch. The question is asking about the same thing, branch. On the branch here one node is present, here another node is present. At the nodes, so you can see there is a tuft of leaves arising out. So there is a tuft of leaves. So these are the tufts of leaves. So rosette. So these are the rosette of leaves. Rosette leaves like this. Okay. So here you see there is a tuft of roots. So tuft of roots. These are the tuft of roots. So that's what I was telling in the previous question. So previous question was telling that. So they are having tuft of roots. They are having tuft of roots and leaves are located at the nodes. So same thing was telling here. So this is the node. At the node you have rosette type of leaves, and below that you have tuft of roots. Tuft of roots are observed here. So which type of plants they are asking? You can see that is the best example is Pistia. So such type are called as offsets. You can see in Iconia also. In Iconia also you have. So this is a branch. On that branch you have here the node is present. In this case also you have the nodes are present here. At the nodes you can see there is a development of rosette of leaves. So leaves are produced like this, rosette of leaves. Okay. So leaves are produced like this. So you can see here leaves are produced, and the roots are the roots here. So tuft of roots. So based on that we have taken answer as a Pistia and Iconia. So both are which type of plants means those are considered as offsets actually. So that is the answer. So that is the answer about the first question. So Pistia and Iconia. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is a green? So green expanded part of the leaf. So which of the following is a green expanded part of the leaf with vein and veinless? That is the question. So the green expanded part with part of the leaf with vein and veinlets. That is the question, students. So green expanded part. Now let's see the structure of the leaf. So this is the typical structure. This is the typical leaf. You can see typical green leaf. If you see this green leaf, here you can see now this part. So this part is a stem. On this stem at specific location. So this particular location, this is called as a node. So leaf arises. So on a stem, so generally leaf arises. So leaf arises on the specific point of the stem. So that specific point of stem is called as a node. So leaf arises at specific point of the stem. That specific point of stem is called as a node. So from the node, so leaf is arising. So you can see here. So this part of the leaf from here to here. So this part of the whole leaf. So this part of leaf. So this part of leaf is called as a lamina. So this part of the leaf is called as a lamina. So this lamina has, so there is this one. So this is called as a, so this part of this, so this is called as a midrib. So this part is called as a midrib. So from the midrib, so you can see there is a typical structures are moving out. You can find out here like this. So these are called as a veins. So these are called as a veins. So these are called as a veins. And there is again, if you see here, there is subparts of the subparts are also there like this. So those are called as a veinlets. So those are called as a veinlets. So those are called as a veinlets. So in this particular leaf, so this is part is node. From this part of the node, so leaf arises, and this part, so that part is called as a petiole. Now that part is called as a petiole. So this is the petiole. So petiole is connecting. So petiole connects the leaf. So leaf lamina with the stem. So petiole connects leaf lamina with the stem. Now this part where the petiole is attaching to the stem, so that location is called as a leaf base. So there is an axillary bud is also present at that particular node where leaf is arising. Then there is a pair of stipules are also present here, students. So this is the typical structure of the leaf. Now let us come back to our question. Which of the following is a green expanded part of the leaf? So question is asking about the green expanded part. Now this is the green expanded part. So this part is the green expanded part, which is called as a lamina. So the green expanded part of the leaf is called as a leaf lamina. So leaf lamina is the green expanded part of the leaf. So on that leaf lamina you have veins. So you have midrib. From midrib veins arise. From veins again you will get the veinlets. From veins you also have veinlets. So veins, and from veins you have the veinlets are also produced. So based on that, so our answer is leaf lamina is our answer. So option D is our answer in this case. So let us move to the next question. Leaves of dicotyledonous. So leaves of dicotyledonous plants possess dash venation. So that is the question. Where dash venation is characteristics of the monocotyledons. Now before that, before answering this question, you should know what is a venation. So what is a venation if you see. So what is a venation means here. So the arrangement. So the arrangement of, so if you see the definition of venation. So arrangement of veins and veinlets. The arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf lamina. So the arrangement of the veins and veinlets on the leaf lamina of a leaf is called as a venation. So that is how we define venation actually. So what is a venation means the arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf lamina is called as a venation. And this venation is of two types. If you see here, that is reticulate venation and parallel venation. If you see what is meaning of this reticulate venation is, you can see this is the midrib of the leaf lamina, and here these are the veins. So from veins you have again veinlets like this. So these are, so veinlets arise. So this type of venation is called as a reticulate venation. If you see here, in case of the parallel venation, so midrib, so this is the midrib, and veins run parallel. Veins run parallel to the veins run parallel to the midrib. So that is the difference. So in case of the parallel venation, what happens is veins run parallel to the midrib. So that is the reason it is called as a parallel venation. So these two venations we are seeing here, reticulate venation and parallel venation. So reticulate venation is a character feature of dicots, the plants of dicots, whereas parallel venation is a character feature of the monocot plants. So it is a character feature of the monoplants. So monocot plants are having the leaves, and those leaves are of parallel venation, whereas in dicots the leaves are reticulate venation. So like this, two different types of venation is generally observed. So let us see the question once again so that we can get the answer. So again the question was asking, now let us see the question once again. So the leaves of dicotyledonous possesses, so what type of venation? So the leaves of dicotyledonous produce reticulate venation. So they produce reticulate venation where the dash venation is characteristics of monocot. So they are showing the parallel venation. So their parallel venation, here it is showing the reticulate venation. So based on that we will take the answer as option A is considered as our answer. So option A will be our answer, students. So in this case finally option A is our answer. So what is venation is the arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf lamina of the leaf is called as a venation. Yes. Now let us move to the next question. Which of the following is a best example of pinnately compound leaf? That is a question. So question was telling that which is the best example of the pinnately compound leaf. So before going to this, so I would like to show you the arrangement. So here two leaves are present. So this is the pinnately compound leaf, this is palmately compound leaf. So here, so this part, now this is called as a, now this is initially the midrib, now it has become raches. Now this is called as a raches. So leaflets, now this one, now this is a leaflet. So the arrangement of leaflets on the raches, okay, the arrangement of leaflet on the raches, such type of arrangement is called as a pinnately compound leaf. So here in this case of palmately compound leaf, so on the palmately compound leaf what happens is, so you can see that the leaves are arranged on the single petiole. So here you can see leaves are arranged on the single petiole. Generally, so the best example of the pinnately compound leaf is, so it is neem. So neem is the best example of the pinnately compound leaf. Then similarly if you see the palmately compound leaf, okay, if you see in case of the palmately compound leaf, so on the petiole, so leaflets arranged on the petiole, okay. So bombax, so bombax is the best example. So bombax is the seba, bombax seba is the best example of the palmately compound leaf. So that is about that question. Let us move to the next question, students. The main purpose of phyllotaxy for the leaves is to provide. So that is the question. So phyllotaxy. So what is the meaning of this term phyllotaxy? If you see here, so phyllotaxy. What is the meaning of this term phyllotaxy? If you see here, so the arrangement of leaves. The arrangement of leaves is called as a. So the arrangement of leaves. So phyllotaxy involves the arrangement. So what is the phyllotaxy means? It is arrangement of leaves. So arrangement of leaves. The arrangement of leaves is known as a phyllotaxy, and these are three types. So alternate type is there, opposite type and horolate type. You can see in this diagram. So here at this node leaves are arranged. Again at this node here the leaf is arranged. So the leaves are arranged, alternatively arranged. So leaves are alternately arranged. So alternate leaves are arranged alternatively. Such type of phyllotaxy is called as alternate phyllotaxy. So in this case at single node two leaves arise, from single node two leaves arise. Such type of phyllotaxy is called as a opposite phyllotaxy. Such type of phyllotaxy is called as a opposite phyllotaxy. Here also you see at the same node two leaves arise and they are opposite each other. Such type of condition is called as a opposite phyllotaxy. So in this case of horolate phyllotaxy at what specific node more than three leaves are arising. So that is called as a horolate phyllotaxy. Now the question was asking that what is the main purpose of phyllotaxy for the leaf to provide. So that is the main question. That is the main thing the question was asking. What is the main purpose of phyllotaxy for the leaves is to provide. So the main purpose of phyllotaxy is to expose it towards the sunlight. So option D will be our answer. So main purpose is to expose itself to the sunlight. So that is the reason option D is considered as our answer. The main purpose of phyllotaxy for the leaves is to provide sufficient amount of the sunlight. Next, so Alternate type of phyllotaxy. So alternate type of phyllotaxy. So alternate phyllotaxy is found in which type of plants? That is a question. So you can see here in this case. So this is an alternate type of phyllotaxy. So here this is the best example of alternate phyllotaxy. So alternate phyllotaxy you can find in the hibiscus. In case of the China rose, you can find the alternate phyllotaxy. So hibiscus is the best example of the alternate phyllotaxy. Okay, so that is about phyllotaxy. Next question is go to the next question. Which type of function? So which type of function is performed? Which type of function is performed by fleshy leaves? Fleshy leaves of onion. So fleshy leaves of onion and garlic. So fleshy leaves of onion and garlic. So if you see this, so this is the diagram showing the fleshy leaves. So this is the diagram showing the fleshy leaves. So you can see here there is a leaves are fleshy, leaf bases are present. So actually, so fleshy leaf, yes, like this. So these fleshy leaves, so what they are doing? They are involved in storage of food material. So they are involved in the storage of the food material. So the fleshy leaf bases are involved in the purpose of the storage of food material. Now let us come back to our question. So which type of function is performed by fleshy leaf bases of onion and garlic? That is the question. So onion and garlic is performing what type of function? So main function of onion and garlic is storage. So storage is the main function of this onion and garlic. So onion and garlic is involved in the storage of the food material. So onion and garlic is involved in the storage of the food material. So that is about this question, students. Let us move next question. So let us see this question. Which of the following statements are correct? So question was asking about to identify the correct statement about the leaf. Say about the leaf. So let us see the statement 1. So leaf is lateral, generally flattened structure borne on the stem. So leaf is a lateral, okay, flattened structure borne on the stem. So this statement is a correct statement. So this is the right statement then. So leaf it develops at the nodes. So this is the right statement. So if you see a stem, so on the stem, so leaf, so for example like this nodes are present. So on the stem, so leaf every time arises. So leaf every time arises from the nodes. So that is a right statement. And bears buds. So it also bears buds. So axillary buds we have seen in one of the diagram. So statement 2 is also a right statement. Then leaves originate. So leaves originate from the root apical meristem. So question was telling that leaves are originating from the root. So leaves are not originating from the root apical meristem, but they are originated from the stem apical meristem. So because of that reason, so the statement 3 is a wrong statement. Then if you see the statement 4, they are mostly important vegetative organs for the reproduction. So they're important vegetative organs. So they are important vegetative organs for the reproduction. So this is also a right statement. They are important vegetative organs. So they are important vegetative organ for the reproduction. So that is a right statement. So that is the reason we will take the options as option C is a right answer in this case. So let us move to the next question, students. Finally, option C is our right answer. This is also a right. Next question. Read the following statements. Read the following statements and answer the questions. So read the following statements and answer the questions. Yes. It is a pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem. So it is a pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch. Such condition is called as a such condition. What is such condition? It is called as a phyllotaxy. We were discussing same thing, right? The arrangement of leaves. The arrangement of leaves is called as a phyllotaxy. We were discussing same thing. So arrangement of leaves on the stem is called as phyllotaxy. Then it is usually of 3 types. So it is usually of 3 types. Yes, the phyllotaxy is of 3 types: alternate, opposite, and horizontal phyllotaxy. It is of 3 types. Then it is meant for getting maximum amount of light. So the same thing we were discussing in today's class. Its main purpose, the main purpose of phyllotaxy is to expose the leaves to the sunlight. The main purpose is to expose the leaves to sunlight so that it can undergo maximum amount of photosynthesis. So that is also right statement. So which condition of the plant is described in above statement? So no doubt it is the phyllotaxy. So finally our answer is option A is our answer. So let us go to the next question. So match column 1. So match column 1 with the column 2 and choose the correct option. So buds in the axial of the leaf. So generally the buds are present in the axial of the leaf, and such type of leaf is called as a simple leaf. Then outer layer of seed coat. So outer layer of seed coat is called as a testa. So outer layer of seed coat is called as a testa. Then spines. So spines are modifications. So spines are spines are the modified leaves of cactus plant. So leaves modified for catching insect. So the leaves are modified into the catching insect, that is called as a pitcher plant or Venus dragonfly, so option 1. Then fleshy leaves for storage of food materials. So we are discussing same thing in today's class. The fleshy leaves of the garlic and onion, they play an important role in storage of food materials. So that is the reason. So based on that, let's see the option. So A is 4, then B is 2, B is 2, A is 4, okay, B is 2, B is 3, C is 2, then D is 1. So we'll take answer as option C will be our answer. Let's move to next question. Which of the following options shows the correct labeled parts? So let us see the correct labeled parts. So we were discussing already. So the central part is called as a midrib. Now this part is called as a midrib, and these are veins. Okay. So anyhow, altogether this is whole is called as a lamina. It is altogether this is called as a leaf lamina. So then next. So B. So finally A is lamina. Then B you see. So B. If you see B, so B is axillary bud. So B will be, it will be an axillary bud. B will be a axillary bud. Then C. C is a stipule. C is a stipule. D. So D is pedicel. D is pedicel. D is pedicel. So based on that, so we'll take answer as option C will be our answer. Okay. So A is lamina, then B is axillary bud, C is stipule, D is pedicel. So that is our answer. So let's move next question. Identify the kind of phyllotaxy. Identify the kind of phyllotaxy shown in the given figure ABC. Now already we are discussing now this one. Here leaves are at this node, leaf is present, and again another node, here another node, here another. So at each node one leaf is present and leaves are arranged alternately. So certainly this one is alternate phyllotaxy. This will be alternate phyllotaxy, and in this case leaves are arranged opposite to each other. So this will be a opposite. So this will be an opposite phyllotaxy, and here you can see this is at the node several leaves are arranging. So this is a whorled phyllotaxy. Now this will be a whorled phyllotaxy. So that will be a whorled phyllotaxy. So hi Syed. So how are you? So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, students. So every day we have our classes of half an hour only, 4 to 4:30. So almost today's time got over. So try to join our special classes, students. You can see the description box. In our description box there is a link is there to join these special classes. Today I have special class at 6 p.m. students. At 6 p.m. my special class is there. You can join on our app. I am discussing about the multiple choice questions on cell biology. Okay, so try to join that 6 p.m. class. Sayed. Okay, so the main function of leaf, yes, very good, option A is the right answer. So main function of leaf is exchange of gases. So the main function of the leaf is exchange of gases. So join the 6 p.m. class, Sayed. 6 p.m. class. I am taking the multiple choice questions, okay, on cell biology topic. So try to join. So you can join this special class by going through in the description box. In description box there is a link to join this special class on Unacademy special class on our app. Okay, so So that is end of today's multiple choice question discussion. So before ending the class, so I would like to once again introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription students. So I suggest you to take the long-term plans. So 1 month plan is also best plan, but I suggest you to take the long-term plan, 6 months plan for 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan for 12,375 rupees students. So anyhow students, so go to the description link students, description box. In that description box you will be having the details how to join the Unacademy special classes. Today at 6 p.m. my special class is there. I will be discussing the multiple choice questions on topic of cell biology, so try to join that class. Sayed, so try to join that class actually. Okay, so thank you students, thank you for